Hey guys, it's Serge from Swiss Fan. So today I have an exclusive. We are going to go to the first supercharger V3 in Switzerland. And so we're not there yet, but we're going to get on our way. And let me show you something quickly on the map. Okay, so you can see here that basically it still says 6 out of 8 stalls available, but look at the speed. The speed says 250 kilowatts max. So before at this location, it only said 150 kilowatts maximum. So this confirms that these are supercharger V3s. And so this is where we're going to go. This is where it is. It's in Martigny. So in Martigny, they've installed the new stalls. And of course, as we get there, I will show you what they look like. Okay, so this is the V2 Supercharger in Martigny. And we're going to show you where the V3 is being installed, but it's not installed yet. Okay, before we have a look at these chargers, just one thing. Please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I release my next video, as I am doing a lot more these days, and hopefully there'll be a lot more to come. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so these are the new charging stalls. They're not available yet, and you can see that they haven't finished installing all of them. But there will be 12 new stalls here in Martigny, and from what I understand, it's probably... not sure if they're going to keep the old ones. The guy told me yes, but that would seem like a lot. I'm guessing they're probably going to turn off the old ones. Now, what's interesting is that opposite this, there's new Ionity chargers. So these you can charge at 350 kilowatts maximum. So that's faster than the V3 that are at 250. And the price will depend on whether you have a car that actually supports the Ionity network. So if you have a Mercedes, Audi, Porsche, BMW, you'll pay 29 euros per kilowatt. And at these superchargers, you will pay 30 cents per kilowatt, 30 Swiss francs. So that's a little bit cheaper, but not much. It's pretty much equivalent. Now, if you're not part of the Ionity network, so for example, Tesla wants to charge on the Ionity, you'll pay 79 cents per kilowatt hour, so a lot more. So that's a bit of a downside. All right, so yeah, I was hoping these would be Tesla. The Tesla guy I saw the other day told me that these would be on, but they're not. They're missing some stalls. As you can see, there's still some cables out there. So they'll probably be turned on in the next few days. And they'll probably inaugurate these soon. Okay, that's it for this preview of the V3 Supercharger here, the first one in Switzerland. Unfortunately, it wasn't turned on yet. I was hoping it would be turned on today so that we could actually test it and charge, but I'll have to come back another time. All right, I hope you like this. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I release my next video. And of course, if you have any questions or if you want to buy one of these cars, you really should use the link I'll put in the description below for referral code. If you use that link, you will get 1,500 kilometers of free supercharger electricity. So these chargers that are right behind me, for example. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please put a thumbs up on it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.